Musa ugana umuntu that you're not going to agree to believe in the same thing. Just don't. Just don't. Love doesn't conquer everything. Love alone is not enough. There's a lot to consider. It is very important to choose a partner that will understand your religion, or rather choose a partner that is in the same belief as you, or will understand when you marry her, she is supposed to take on the same belief or the same religion as you. For instance, you will marry her one day and they'll have to do these rituals, ancestors rituals, and yena mhlampe she is a Christian and she doesn't believe in these things. At the end of the day, uzocabanga ukuthi bayamloya or amadimoni abantu bagini. As a result, she will be uncomfortable with your family coming to your household, with you visiting your family, to a point where she will now ababizing amadimoni or abathagati and all that. Kanti from the very beginning, you should have told her ukuthi kithi thina sithelana ngenyongo, thina siyahlaba, so that the other party also understands what they're getting themselves into, and also understand ukuthi yena meke ezoshadwa or ezoganwa kusho ukuthi she must take on your religion. In relationships, we want to talk about what's your favorite sex position, what's your favorite color, when is your birthday, but these are the actual things that you should be talking about. What is your belief? Because one day you'll have a child as well, and then Kabo, whoever that believes, the party that believes in ancestors, they'll want to take the umbilical cord, do whatever, or perform a ritual on their child. Maybe you'll be to their ancestors or whatever. And the other party believes in Jesus Christ and they bloody washed and all that. And then at the end of the day, they believe in dedicating the child to God, going to church, and you believe in the opposite. It creates a clash to a point where so many marriages are broken by this thing. So many relationships are broken by this thing, and people end up losing assets, losing love, and losing their partner, all because of this. Because some men do not compromise when it comes to these things, but umuntu agahlalisanga phansi and actually establish as two people or people who are in a relationship as a couple. This is what we believe in, and baby, meso shata, or when you're in a relationship with me, you must understand mina ngumuntu oyenza kanje. Or I expect you to go to church with me. Or there's a time you will have to choose between church and umgidi wakabo ndoda. Let's say they're having umgidi or whatever, and then you need to improvise and say, I'll see church next week. At the end of the day, umgidi I will see every time. And you agree to this thing, and you need to compromise at least one Sunday and go to the mgidi and sacrifice going to church, fellowshipping with people that believe in Christ. And it's just a lot. Belief and tradition is a lot. Because umunye seke bezobiza abantu bakawindoda amadimoni because bayahlaba when they come into your house, bayathela manzi, bayakhuluma in ini. You understand. Others prevent their men from visiting their families because uthi bazomloya or what they don't attend events and stuff because bazomloya.